Welcome to our channel. Let us learn some words which are associated with cooking. Flip. She flips the bread which is in the pan. Pour. Pour some water into the cup to drink. Sprinkle. Sugar is sprinkled on donuts. Sift. She sifts some flour to bake cakes. Knead. Knead the flour well to make soft dough. Grate. He grates cheese to make pizza. Saute. Saute the onion in olive oil until the onion is aromatic. Spread. Spread some butter on a slice of bread. Mash. Mash the potatoes to make potato gravy. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.